Be your Funmhab, could it just see when I gotta wake up in the morning? I broke some glasses, so back to my bummy, what in my bed too. He let shaka on the to buy my tita bed, won't well, mama long. Best is just number one, so I don't let it go out and go for expressway. Okay, listen, Oba Otun, Oba Osi, best is me call any toilet for a lot of mercy. So that's when you correct what in my tasotu, while I tasotu at the end of the day, want to win game with best is so shaking the one, buy your jet. Best is so shaking the one, leave me young. Best is so shaking the one, so pick up to my cool. I want to wait on to gara, I want to work there. Batimo Kokori, Otimo, you go on the gara, Alati Sulemala, Majiba, and so my condition can not be done of Yanuba. What you want to buy land or what you got of Yanuba. And you say, you're not for, go to pay what you say, and you say, you're not low, go to pay what you know, and it's over there, over the bar or the DJ. I got my breath too, I got my bounce. If you want it, you know what I'm saying, though. No, what is that? Alaji, Lale, TV, Alaji man, birth fees, Uncle Simon Street, and Lawyer Mida, Oya Lobao, Sam Lobao, Kuba signature, Kini, Yakube, Kasa ya photo, and that's photo. Okay, you're number one, and to my couple perform. Are you serious, Sam?
As we dey try to sing the old national anthem, make we still go back to old fuel price, make we still go back to old cement price, make we still go back to old fufu price, make we still go back to old ashawo price. You say who shot ashawo? I have a point. I know say na ashawo you take grow up. If you want know man when he use ashawo grow up, they say man when he be say he dey pay ashawo for short time, he no get time for romance. Na sharp as you enter the room, whether the ashawo dey romance you, no dey romance you, na sharp direct straight to point. I dey always tell people say if you poor, respect yourself. Not dey show yourself anywhere where you dey, you dey feel like say you poor. Poverty is not a disease, but poverty that is broken is a disease. If you are broke, it's not a disease, but if you are broken, it's a disease. If you see big man, at the top of say, poor man not the name his first son after his name. When my papa born me, my papa not name me after his name. My papa born me, give me Ogenenyero Umukoro. As he give me that name, the meaning of that name is say, God answer prayer. Till I grow rich like this now, God never answer any of my prayer. By this kind of time, wetin I plan, the way I plan my life, by this kind of time, I'm supposed to don't buy private jet. But till now, I never buy them. I don't understand people say, if I born pikin, my first pikin, I go name am after the alcohol when I dey drink. If I born boy, Ashon Bitter. If I born girl, Andre. If I born twins, Twin Bitters. If I born triplets, 3. If I born 4 cousins. If I not born at all, I go drink Delta Force. Not be joke. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't always tell people say, whether you get money or you not get money, get big prick, oh. Get big prick. Whether you get money or not, get big prick. If you get big prick for this country, big prick when my guy get now almost cause an accident, ask me how. Another year you ask me how. My guy walk cross road the other day for Lekki phase 1 years. He walk cross road the way prick big reach. Now one girl now stop. Ah! Now the guy shout. The guy almost walk cross road miss. Now the girl come and say, baby, how you doing? He said, I would have hit you, but I saw something in you. Now the guy asked her, what do you saw in me? He said, I saw something in between your laughs that I cannot reject. My brother, not be joke. Nigeria has the highest auditorium of Christians in the world. Take it or leave it. I have been to the UK. The entire UK is 15 churches. I have been to Canada. The entire Canada is 21 churches. I have been to Germany. The entire Germany is 17 churches. I have been to Dubai. The entire Dubai is 21 churches. When I come Nigeria, from Jacob.
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ jẹ́ ká